Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about the expectation of discrete random variable. Okay, expectation of discrete random variable. It's the same meaning when we talk about expectation of a random variable. Okay, either it's a discrete or continuous. My statement here is when they said about finding the expectation of a random variable, either it's a discrete random variable or a continuous random variable that you're going to learn later, is actually bring the same meaning. Okay, which is the mean of x. Alright, mean of x means the mean value, right? In the previous lesson, I have teaching you how to find the mode, right? The mode and the median, right? From the probability distribution table. If you look back at the video, I will talk about how to finding the mode and the median from a probability distribution table. And we have, of course, if to measure the central tendency, we have three values, right? So one will be mode, second will be median, and the third will be the mean, right? The mean. So how to find the mean value of expectation, or we said the expectation of x, alright? For this case, the discrete random variable, we're going to introduce the meaning of ex. The ex is actually the mean, alright? This which is mu, right? So this is the two form that we're going to use, right? The meaning are actually the same. This is a mean of x, and this is also the mean of x. And another name for this will be the expectation of x, alright? Expectation of the discrete random variable. So okay, I repeat again, this will be the mean of x, right? Mean of x, or we can say that the expectation of x, or we say the expected value, right, of discrete random variable x. Alright, so understand, this is the mean. So how to finding the mean? Okay, you look at here in this video, I'm going to introduce you what is mean by mean. Alright, to find the mean, this is a definition that everyone must know, right? Before I teach you calculate, you must know all this. It's a summation of all the value of the discrete random variable. Means that you take the x summation of all the discrete random variable, multiply with its probability, okay, with its probability, the summation. Okay, what is the meaning of this, right? What is the meaning of this? So, okay, you listen. Okay, very simple, right? For calculation, it's very simple. So, okay, for you want to find the ex, all right, the mean of this probability distribution table, we just taking the value of x multiplied with 0.1, okay? X multiplied with 0.1 plus with 2 multiplied with 0.35. Okay, I hope you understand what I mean. I take the x multiplied with the px, 1 multiplied 0.1 plus 2 multiplied with 0.35, right? And plus with 3 multiplied 0.25. Keep on adding, right? 3 multiplied with 0.25 until the end. The last one will be plus with 4 multiplied 0.3, right? So then the value that you get here will be the mean of x, or we said the expected value of x. The term here very important, the expected value, all right? Expected value of x is the same as the meaning of mean of x, right? It's the mean of the probability distribution. Okay, if you see what I'm doing, this is actually follow this rule here. This is more algebra, right? It's more abstract. If you see, it's the meaning of sum. Sum means, you see, I add, right? You add up all, right? You add up all. You add up all, right? The meaning here. So the x here means that the x with this 1, 0.1, x 2 multiply with the px equals to x 0.35. Then you plus again. Means you already plus all x, right? That's the meaning, right? That's the meaning. So that's why I'm doing this, right? Then I get the probability, the expected value, okay, which we're getting the value of 2.75. Alright, or you can write in fraction form 11 over 4. Alright, so this is the mean of x, right? Or we say expected value of discrete random variable x. Okay, so the term very important here. So this is the way we're finding the mean of x. Remember this. Okay, secondly, I'm going to introduce you another concept. Alright, in the same video. Right, I'm going to extend some concept for this video. So what happens if the mean, the expectation is extended to any function of random variable? For example, if I'm asking to find the ex to the power of 2, ex to the power of 2, ex power of 2, the expectation of the function of random variable x to the power of 2. So, which is the same as the summation of all x. But just now it's x, now it's x squared. Px equals to x, right? Aduh, sir, saya tak faham lah. I don't understand this. Never mind. Okay, you know how to understand, how to calculate enough already. Okay, for your level now. So, expectation of x squared. Very simple. Okay, just now you want 0.1, right? 1 times with 0.1 plus with 2 times 0.35 plus with 3 times 0.25 plus with 4 times with 0.3. Is it still the same? No, it's not the same. You see? It's not the same. Now it's x to the power of 2, right? That's why we have to have x to the power expectation x to the power of 2. Here will be x to the power of 2 also. Means that this 1, 2, 3, 4, this one here I'm going to square. That's the difference. That's why you see x squared. So you have to square everything here. That's the difference only. Alright, that's the difference. So if this is x, then the value of x don't need to do anything, right? You just multiply only, right? Without the square. But now there is expectation of x squared. So all the x you have to go and square. That's the difference, alright? You have to know. So, okay, let's calculate what's the value. Which giving you the value of 8.55 or 7171 divided by 20, right? So this is the expectation of x squared, right? Okay, I wanted to understand the meaning of expectation here, okay? 8.55 here. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm going to give you another example. Alright, what if the question asking us to find E3x, right? E3x, expectation value of 3 times the discrete random variable. So, okay. But later on, I will introduce you another easy way of finding this. Alright, the easy way of finding this. But now, theoretically, you should know this. Okay, E3x. So, what is mean by this? Okay, you know that the expectation value of x is defined to be the summation of all x multiplied with px equals to x, right? This is the mean, right? This is the mean. So now they're asking you to find the mean of 3x, right? So it's different. So it's very simple, right? If this is x, then this will be x, okay? If this is 3x, definitely you just modify the definition to be the x to be 3x. So px equals to x. That's the difference only. Alright, so okay, I'm going to show you the difference. So let's look at this. Suppose you have to be 1, right? Usually if you find mean, how you find mean? You take 1 multiply 0.1, okay? 1 0.1 plus with 2 multiply 0.35 plus with 3 multiply 0.25, okay? Just multiply and adding up only, okay? 4 multiplied with 0.3. So now the additional thing that you should do is, you see, you want to find E3x, right? You want to find E3x. It's not x, you know. It's E3x. What you're doing now is finding EX, right? So you want 3x, means that suppose you need to multiply the score with 3. Alright, you're supposed to multiply the 3 with this. So remember that, what I mean here, multiply with 3. And this also you multiply with 3. 3x, 3x means that 3 times 2. 3x. And this also you multiply with 3, alright? Multiply with 3. And this also you multiply with 3. You're supposed to have 3 multiply 0.1 plus with 3 times 2. 3x means that 3 times the 2 here. 3 times the 2 before you multiply the probability, right? So it's 6 times with 0.35 plus with 9 multiply with 0.25 plus with 12 multiply with 0.3. So then you will get the expectation of 3x. You are getting the value of E3x by follow the definition of expectation. So which were giving you the value after adding up all this, you're getting 8.25, right? 8.25. Later on, I'm going to teach you properties. They're very easy. But before that, I give you to know. You see that 3x, right? You have 8.25. You see this 2.75. This is x, right? This is x. This is 3x, right? You try to take your calculator now. You try to multiply this with 3. You try to take 2.75 multiply with 3. Follow me. Multiply with 3. I think you will definitely get 8.25. You will get 8.25. That's what I mean. After this, I'm going to teach you that properties. Alright? I'm going to introduce you some properties here. So, okay, for now, this is the way we're finding expectation. Alright? That's all for this video.